Welcome to Bike Magazine, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're shifting gears from 2 wheels to 4 as we dive into one of the most exciting hypercars of the modern era, the Koenigsegg Jessica 2025. This is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Designed to break records and redefine performance, the Jessica is named after Jessica von Koenigsegg, the father of company founder Christian von Koenigsegg. It's a tribute to vision, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. At the heart of the Jessica lies a monstrous 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an astonishing 1,600 horsepower when running on 85 fuel. This beast delivers performance figures that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. The engine is paired with a groundbreaking 9-speed light-speed transmission, which shifts gears in virtually no time at all, ensuring an uninterrupted surge of power. The Jessica isn't just about brute force, it's a symphony of aerodynamic precision. With a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis and active aerodynamics, this hypercar achieves up to 1,400 kilograms of downforce. That means incredible stability at speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Inside the cabin, the Jessica balances cutting-edge technology with luxurious comfort. The smart cluster digital instrument display gives you all the information you need without distracting you from the road or track. Every detail inside exudes sophistication, from the premium materials to the intuitive layout designed to put the driver near in complete control. What sets the Jessica apart from its competitors is its adaptability. There are 2 versions: the Jessica Absolute, designed for sheer top speed, and the Jessica Attack, optimized for track performance. This dual-purpose design ensures that whether you're chasing records on the straight or carving corners on the circuit, the Jessica delivers. The Jessica 2025 is more than a car, it's a statement. It's a declaration of what's possible when passion meets innovation. With production limited to just 125 units, owning one is a privilege reserved for the select few who can appreciate its artistry and power. That's a wrap for today. If you're as excited about the Koenigsegg Jessica as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Magazine for more high-octane content. See you next time.